Hi everyone, my name is Tabitha from the education team, and I'd like to welcome you to this year's last installment of Tuesday Tips. I thank you so much for really following me on this journey week by week as we go through different parts of the platform to really help you utilize and learn as much as you absolutely can. What we're gonna do today is truly focus on setting up a holiday series based on somebody visiting your website. Now, we love talking about recipes here, so we're actually going to use one. If you start by typing in holiday, you can see all of the different automations that we've created for you that might be beneficial to utilize for any kind of holiday marketing or sales that you're operating. What we're gonna use today is this holiday marketing series drip on visit of your site. So you can see here that I actually already built it out. What this is going to do is it's going to trigger based on somebody visiting a certain page of your site. And we're going to start sending them emails that let them know all of the different things we're offering for them around the holidays, whether it be a sale, shipping benefits, discounts that you're offering for different products, or kinds of marketing that we want to really just pull you into our site and into the products that we have. So you can see here, this is a series of 3 emails. What we're doing is we're sending you 1-2 hours after you visit the site. So we're saying, hey, don't miss out on our holiday sale. Here's all the really exciting features that are going on at Boone's Bandanas. We're gonna give them 1 day. We're going to let them know any discounts that they might wanna take advantage of. And then we're gonna end this series out with some stocking stuffers. Hey, here's little dollar items that you might wanna spend to just put that extra touch on your holiday gifts. Now, one thing that you could do is you could actually add a goal here that would allow you to say at any point in time if somebody made a purchase through this automation, they don't need to receive these emails anymore. You have an opportunity to really tweak recipes in a way that makes the most sense for the way that you're communicating with your contacts or customers during your automations, especially your holiday automations. If you don't feel like adding anything to it, that's totally fine. The point of this automation is to really just get you in front of your contacts to let them know that you are super excited about all of the different things that you have to offer throughout the holidays. Now, what you can do is you can actually finish and visit our marketplace on our website, and that's going to give you an opportunity to dive into our recipes. You can import them directly from this page, learn more about each recipe before you import it, and really take a deeper look at each of the steps that it has to offer. Again, I wish everyone a warm and safe holiday. Thank you so much for joining me on this final installment of Tuesday Tips. If there's anything that you're interested in learning about next year, please let me know in the comments. I'm really excited to see you again soon. Have a great one.